Apple's flagship offerings, the iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Plus, cater to consumers, while the iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max target professionals with additional features and capabilities. Much like last year's iPhone 14 lineup, the iPhone 15 series comprises 4 models, featuring 2 6.1-inch versions and 2 6.7-inch variants. The standard lineup includes the 6.1-inch iPhone 15 and the larger 6.7-inch iPhone 15 Plus, while the more premium models consist of the 6.1-inch iPhone 15 Pro and the 6.7-inch iPhone 15 Pro Max. Powered by the A16 Bionic chip, similar to its debut in the iPhone 14 Pro and 14 Pro Max, the iPhone 15 and 15 Plus boast a 20% reduction in power usage and enhanced performance, offering 50% more memory bandwidth compared to the A15 Bionic chip featured in the iPhone 14 and 14 Plus. In terms of camera upgrades, the devices feature a new 48-megapixel main camera equipped with a quad-pixel sensor, capturing default 24-megapixel photos. Additionally, the updated main camera introduces a new 2x telephoto option intelligently cropped from the full camera capture